Welcome to Nightingale Montessori.
I chose to work here because I'm very familiar with Montessori. I was a chickadee, eagle, and an owl. I was here for 8 years, so I know Maria, Nancy, and Sheila very well, and all of their kids. So I wanted to work here because both of my daughters are here. I like being with my kids, and I love being here.
Hi.
Yes, you're alone.
Why is the queen so short?
Is this a riddle or
Accommodate so many more students. Right now we're literally at our capacity. The school is unable to accept new students right now because we don't have the space. We have extracurricular in terms of sports. We have, science programs that go on outside of school. But we don't have a theater right now. The closest thing we have is a short play during this year's International Festival that I got to direct. And even that was barely theater. So provided with a bigger school, I would like to see a full stage with, curtains and lighting and sound and, all those fancy things.
Nightingale Montessori started in 1978 with a couple of years in a church basement, as most Montessoris do. And then we moved here to this convent, and we started with just 3 to 6, half day, 18 children. That seemed very nice. Then we decided to go all day as parents began to work more all day. There was a time there where their mothers went back to work. And we grew the 6 to 9, and then we moved to the 9 to 12, and then we went on to the high school. All that in this convent, which is now way too little for us, and we wish we had a new building so that we could have more people join us and do more things in our building. So we're really cramped up, and it's stopping us from doing all the things that we want to do and is hurting our potential.